Hey traders, control the trade here, taking a look at Sundial, SNDL. They report earnings this week, so I figured it'd be a good time to take a look at the chart. Right now we're looking at a weekly chart just to get a broad view, and you can see that we ran up to 396 and pulled back. 398 was the important number on my chart. And if we take a look even further back, you can see where more resistance is up here in the $7 range. And there's a big breakdown candle. You can see the line that I drew there, that dotted line. That's going to be probably our next challenge if we can break above the $4 mark. Let's take a look at a daily, and you can see we had this big, huge breakup candle. We hit just below my number there, 396. My number's 398, and that's a reversal candle right there. A lot of volume, big red candle, and we've been dripping away ever since. There's a lot of hype surrounding this one, so it doesn't surprise me. But now it's consolidating, even though you have the 20-period moving average kind of sloping down here. And we've been kind of bouncing around between the 50 and the 20-period moving average. You can see 187 is and continues to be important. And that's going to be the next area that, if you're bullish on this chart, that you definitely need to start closing candles above 187. Start to get this thing back on an uptrend, and then you have plenty of room right up above that. So the key here to avoid a further down move here is to hold the 50-period moving average, and I believe there's even a gap below here where we first broke out, probably around 60 some cents, 65 cents. Let's take a look at that real quick. And you can also see where you have the 50, then the 200-period moving average way down low for support, which should coincide with that gap right here that we talked about 60 cents right there. And then we opened up above that. So somewhere in the mid 60s would be, if it was a real crazy sell-off type support. But right now we're looking at the bull case, getting back above the 20-period moving average, and then back above this price line here that I consider an important number on the chart, and of course way back up to 396, 398 area and $4 and beyond. Depends how the market's going to digest the earnings. We don't know going into this what's going to happen, but if you can see, if we take a big broad look, you can just see how much space we have above these other breakdown candles. Probably about 475, 575. Those areas are going to be important if SNDL can start to challenge those old breakdown areas. So we'll be setting alerts at the different areas that have been discussed in the video, and let's look for some volatility this week on SNDL. And just be careful. Again, here's back to the daily chart. Just remember, certain areas we have to break above to start to make a run for the bull case. But be careful with this one, and remember, don't let the trade control you. Thanks for watching.